Hi and welcome back to Spot On Works. In this video I'm gonna show you how to properly stow your spare tire and jack kit in 2014 Ford Fiesta. This is gonna apply to Ford Fiestas made from 2011 and all the way up to 2019. Your spare tire and jack kit is located in the trunk compartment, and now I'm gonna show you how to properly stow it. Your jack is the first thing that goes in the floor. You want to align it that this screw goes in your first hole. Like you can see, you have 3 holes here, but you're gonna be using only 2 ones. The very first one and one on the top. So jack is gonna go in the first one. Once when you have it aligned, you want to tighten up this screw. Until you feel it's tight. So that's pretty tight right here. And it's not moving. Next step is your spare tire. And you just want to put it right on the top of jack. And now I'm gonna secure this spare tire with this wing nut. And as you can see, this one will go in this 3rd hole. And I'm gonna tighten it up. And now when spare tires is tight, the last piece is this tool set. I'm just gonna place it on top of the spare tire. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.